In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Far Cry 5 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Far Cry 5 does allow you to do co-op, so you will be able to play through the main campaign in co-op mode. First, to do this, you will have to play the game by yourself until you have finished the missions in Duchess Island. After this is done and you complete these resistance missions to begin with, then you will have access to the multiplayer and online category. Keep in mind that everyone who is going to be playing has to do this, so all of the players must have finished the missions on Duchess Islands for their own game. And after this is done, you will have access to the online category. So pause the game at any point and you will go over to online, this icon here. Now you will see invite friends. Open your co-op session for another player to join. Choose this option and the friends list referring to your platform is going to pop up. So if you are on PlayStation, you will see your PSN friends list. If you are on Xbox, you'll see the Xbox friends list, Steam, and so on. Something that I need to make very clear is that Far Cry 5 unfortunately does not feature crossplay, okay? So if you are on PlayStation, you must play with someone else who is on PlayStation, and the only exception is if you are on PC through Xbox. So you need to be playing on the PC version available through the Microsoft or Xbox Store, and then if that is the case, then you can do crossplay with Xbox consoles because the friends list is going to be shared. But if you are on Steam, then you will not be able to do this because your Steam friends list is not shared with the Xbox on PC or Xbox consoles. So keep all of that in mind. Crossplay is extremely limited, bearing non-existent. But if you are on the same platform, it's as simple as choosing invite friends and sending out the invites from your friends list. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.